Hi,
Hello,
boys
boys and
and
girls.
girls! Do you think there's another boy or girl out there in this world with the same names as you? Well, if there is, do you think he or she looks like you and acts like you?
Today, we are going to talk about Adri, a little fish who is going out to experience the world and meet new friends.
So, we're gonna read you this book, Only One You, by Linda Krantz. It's time, Papa said. I think it is, Mama agreed. Time for what? Adri asked. Papa's voice softened. To share some wisdom. Always be on the lookout for a new friend. Look for beauty wherever you are and keep the memory of it with you. Blend in when you need to. Stand out when you have the chance. Find your own way. You don't have to follow the crowd. Know when to speak. Know when to listen. No matter how you look at it, there is so much to discover. If you make a wrong turn, circle back. If something gets in your way, move around it. Set aside some quiet time to relax and reflect every day. Appreciate art. It's all around you. Make wishes on the stars in the nighttime sky. Thank you for listening, Mama said. We hope you will remember. Papa winked and whispered, We know this is a lot for you to think about. Edry did a backward somersault and smiled. He was excited to go out into the world with what he had just learned. Wait for me, he shouted to his friends. Before he swam away, he turned back to his parents and said, I will remember. Mama kissed Edry on the top of his head. There's only one you in this great big world, she said. Make it a better place. Okay, so just like Adri, there's only one you in this world that's uniquely you. And probably there's another Vernon or Charlotte that's watching us right now, but we're all uniquely ourselves, and that's why we're so glad about it. So,
So, Teacher Vernon, what makes Adri and other fishes all unique?
hmm, hmm, let us all play a game. Um, How about let me flip to a page and let's all try to identify a pattern or shape that catches your attention.
Let me see. Hmm. Oh, I see a beautiful spiral. I'm going to draw this out.
Okay,
Hmm. Spiral. Is this something like this, Teacher Vernon?
I think so.
Wow,
Well, that's a nice spiral.
I love it. So, how about you, Teacher Vernon? What catches your attention?
Oh, yes, I see the flower on this page. It's a beautiful flower. Let's all draw it out together. So, how do we draw a flower? Well, we can start with the middle and then the petals. Nice petals. They are going around the circle I drew. Like that. And there you go. That's my flower.
So, Teacher Vernon,
Yes.
why are we creating all those different patterns?
Well, all these different patterns out here are what makes all the different fishes unique. So let's all draw out a unique big fish friend for Adri together. So what sort of a fish do you think will be nice?
I think on my A3 size paper, I'm going to use a black marker to draw out a big fish that is oval.
I think for me, I'm going to draw out a big fish that is a diamond shape. And probably we need to separate the head and the body. So maybe I'm going to add a nice wiggly line right here.
Mine will just be a simple curved line. I'm going to add on my beautiful eyes that goes like this.
We can now add our very own special lips that we like very much on our own fish.
Do you remember the shapes and patterns that were created in the beginning?
So let's pick each of these patterns and probably add them to our fishes. Maybe this way. Let's take a look at Teacher Charlotte.
Oh, Teacher Vernon, are we missing something?
Missing what?
How can our fishes swim without fins and tubes?
Oh yeah, you're right. Phew, that was fast. Alright guys, how about your fish?
We would love to see how you have created your own fish to become Adri's friend.
So send over your drawing at this link. We can provide some suggestions for improvements as soon as we can.
In the next lesson, we shall teach you how you can add beautiful colors with markers to your own fish.
Remember to subscribe to us and we hope that you have enjoyed this video. So
See you in the next lesson. Bye!